afternoon mga palangga. So mag-grocery tayo. Our normal routine for weekend. Meron akong trabaho kanina but only short hours, 3 hours. Sobrang mahangin sa labas. Kaya ginaw. Yung sasakyan ni Jan yung gagamitin natin ngayon kasi ay, no jumping girls, no jumping. No jumping. Kasi ito si Pipa, oy. Kasi may big paddle sa patungong Tesco. Wala akong tripod ngayon kaya ayun. Pahirapan. Kailangan nating putulin yung kahoy. Yung kahoy na pinakita ko sa inyo. Malapit sa greenhouse kasi tingnan nyo oh. Kung nakikita nyo, sobrang windy ngayon. And yung kahoy na yan, yan, patay na yung ano niya, yung body.
We'll have to take it down later.
Yeah, we will, honey. We will. Uh-oh.
We've got flood still. Yeah, we have a bit of one.
Just a little now.
We get through that now.
Yeah, very little.
Anybody can get through that. These want to be made to take this out because this is what's caused the problem. Is all that.
This bank here.
Yeah. Created a flood. Council, they got to try and make them do it and make them pay for it.
Tingnan nyo to, it's so cute. Pineapple, door stopper. And ito rin, meron silang isda. Oh my, ang cute. Iniwan ako ni Mr. What is that? A new toothbrush. You need that? Mother's Day ngayong 22nd of March. Ang laki ng card na ito. Pag ito yung binigay ko kay mother-in-law, parang as in talaga, ang laki. Do you think she will notice this? No? No? Hope your day is special in every way like you. That's too much. Yeah, that's so big. Can you film me so that they can see how big it is? This is the card. This is the card. See? Too big.
Yeah, ginormous. Right, hold on.
What is that?
Timepiece.
What do you mean a timepiece? What you been ordering again?
All will be revealed.
You did not order.
It's
Show them first. So it's just like a clock. Well, it is a clock.
oh, snow.
Oh my God! Tingnan niyo to ay, never ending na lang. I'm just starting to worry now. Kasi if this rain will just be pouring until tonight, I need to go to the other way again, which is not handy kasi it's quite a way talaga pag ginagamit ko yung other way na dinadaanan ko. Nakakatakot yung weather. So how can we cut the wood? The tree, I mean.
Okay.
Labas tayo mga palangga. Meron tayong mission ngayon. Puputulin natin yung kahoy. Tinalian na ni Mr. O. Tingnan nyo. Naku, nag-i-swing na yung kahoy talaga ay. Hey, ang ginaw. Puputulin natin kasi pag nag-iba yung wind direction, naku, masisira to yung ating greenhouse. Kasi nakikita nyo naman, tingnan nyo yung kahoy, oh. Patay na siya dito. Yan. So, malakas yung hangin ngayon. So, kailangan talaga natin ng something. So, ito na. May tali na siya. Ewan ko kung ano yung plano ni Mr. Tatanungin ko muna. Nandoon siya sa workshop. Honey! What's the plan?
Well, I think we need a tractor. When you stand there and look at it, it's going like this. When wind blows, I daren't cut it. So I don't think these are going to be strong enough to do it. I'm just trying to get hold of my phone.
Okay. Tatawagan lang niya yung kaibigan niya. Para manghiram kami ng digger. Si Pipa, uy. Yeah, it's twisted. Yeah.
When you stood here, it's actually leaning that way over, you said. I need Michael here up there with tractor, so it comes out this way. I'm not bothered if it damages the edge.
Yeah. Right, let's go inside, honey. Yeah. It's raining. Whew. I'm just hoping that we will have a sun soon. It seems like the dog is enjoying the wet weather. Hey? This Nandito na yung kaibigan ni John, si Michael. Nandoon na yung digger nila, oh. Yan. Hindi nyo masyado makikita, but then, I'm just filming. At yun na, natumba na yung kahoy. Salamat na lang sa tulong ni Michael talaga. Ito na yung reward ni Mr. Homemade cheesecake. I'm just kidding. It's from Tesco. Yeah, it's from Tesco.
Tesco rubbish.
No, it's not. Thank you. So, ito mga palangga, ito yung dessert namin.
We don't need rocks.
Come on, Pipa. Oh, dear. Can you get the rock? Oh, yeah. That's it.
Oh, don't worry. Rock will go once it's got these.
We're going for a walk. So, I have my Russian hat. Some people say I look like a Russian. Because I got this hat. It's cold. I like this.
I never got my gloves, did I? No.
Huh?
No,
I don't have my gloves anyway. So.
Oh, yo. Come on.
Give me that.
Little black here.
Yeah, give me Pipa. Let's go. Let's go, Pipa. At least, yung weather ngayon, The weather is not bad today, isn't it?
Well, it's better than it has been, but it's still fresh. You know.
That's why,
Especially 5
as you can, as you can see, I have my hat. I have my Russian hat.
Woolly hat.
Woolly hat. It's very warm, this hat.
Yeah.
The bestest hat I ever got. I only have one. so it's the best one.
Very wet on that.
What is it?
Eh?
What is it?
Just water bubbling.
Just a water?
It's obviously...
Where the water came from though? Yung pond, mga palangga, oh, full. We need to cut this tree as well, sweetheart.
Yeah, I'm gonna, well, I'll put it right down. It'll start growing again because it's willow, you see.
Mm.
And I really think we need to take...
Yeah, this one. Because tingnan nyo.
It does make one way.
Tingnan nyo yung roots. It will fall this tree down, Han.
It's still standing.
Matangkad pa naman to. Pero at least it's leaning that way.
Yeah, what we need to do is to get that one sorted and then get a rope round this one and get Michael to tractor again.
Yeah. It's so dangerous, that is.
Isn't it? But the trouble is all these really come out because this, actually the root's looking up on that one as well now.
They need to come out. All of them.
And there's, leave the big one in.
See, nakita nyo yan? It's really leaning over that way.
Yeah. I just can't believe it's actually still standing with all these winds we've had.
It will go down. Nandito na tayo sa wood. It's actually warmer here.
Yeah, a little bit.
There's not a lot of wind. Kanina naglalakad kami. It's so windy. I cannot feel my lips, honeybee. Tingnan nyo, sabi ni Jan, somebody is living here.
Not now.
Not now? Ah. Oh yeah, there's a fire. It's probably just for camping.
Well, it was living here, so it's from my mum.
Living here? Right.
Eco-living.
Eco-living.
You've got this stuff to do.
So you don't need permission to live here for a while in the woods? Bed?
That's for the fire, right?
Yeah, it's probably this is a bed. I don't know. No idea. So, may mga taong naninirahan din dito. Don't touch anything, please.
Come on, get up. Wait.
So, are they like a homeless people, honey?
No, no, no.
No, a normal people?
Yeah.
Right.
Come on, we'll take that back there. Wait.
We're going back.
No, look at this. This is definitely fine.
It's so scary here.
Yeah, I can see the death.
I'm washing my boots, my wheelies. So Jan don't need to wash it. Why are they cutting it? Probably. Sus, nung bata pa kami, pag umuulan at may ganito, nako, nagtatampisaw talaga.
Oh, you used to be dirty water now.
No, I did not. That's it, wash your boots properly.
I'm washing properly.
You always make a mess in my laundry area.
Never. Do I make messes there? No.
Bahay na tayo mga langga. Sobrang fresh. I cannot feel my hands and my lips.
I cannot feel my hands and my lips. You tell me anything.
I cannot.
She exaggerates.
My head and my forehead is very warm. No, it's very warm because of the hot. Good morning! Papasensyahan nyo na talaga mga palangga yung vlog natin for this past few days. Trabaho, bahay, luto. Yun lang talaga yung life ko dito sa UK. But anyway, meron akong trabaho ngayon. 14 hours ako. And sa labas, nag-i-snow. Nag-i-snow siya. Nag-i-snow siya kagabi. Sa screen tingnan, no? Parang blue tingnan. Dahil siguro sa puting snow. So, yan. Nag-i-snow siya. But at the same time, it's trying to rain again. So, ihahatid ako ni Jan kasi sobrang slippery yung daan ngayon. So, I'm so thankful for Mr. for driving me to work.
Like it.
It's so horrible outside, mga loves. It's raining and there's a snow. So, nagme-melt yung snow. And so, pag naglalakad ka, parang naglalakad ka sa isang paddle. Okay? Oh, they're flat? Oh no, I hope they don't get a frostbite.
Oh, we've got some look here.
They're dead? The daffodils?
Right, they'll pick up again. It's not,
Namatay sila. I don't think so. It's dead.
No, they're not dead though.
It's just because of the weight. Yeah, because of the weight of the snow. What's the temperature? 1 degrees. Thank you, sweetheart, for driving me. Sometimes.
All the time.
Hello! Hello mga palangga! Good afternoon! So, nandito tayo ulit. Alam ko na meron na kayong idea kung ano yung gagawin natin. I am sorry to disappoint you, pero magluluto tayo ulit. Yes, magluluto tayo ulit. But anyway, ngayon yung lulutuin natin is cassava cake. Yes, cassava cake. Ito, nabili ko to siya sa Asda kasi 2 days ago, ng grocery ako online para ipa-deliver dito sa bahay. Na-deliver siya ngayon. Hindi na lang ako nag-vlog kasi yung grocery na pinadeliver ko sa bahay, sobrang konti lang at mostly yung grocery na yun is para sa birthday ni Mr. So, hindi ko na lang siya vinlog kasi ayaw kong ma-spoil yung secret natin. Para naman ma-feel ni Mr. na nag-effort ako. Wala kaming party na gagawin pero may gagawin lang ako na something. So, it will all be revealed sa birthday ni Mr. So, hintayin niyo yan. So, anyway, balik tayo sa ating kasaba. So, ito, nung nakita ko to, na-shock talaga ako kasi itong kasaba na to, nabibili lang talaga to sa Oriental shop at bihira lang silang magka-available nito sa Oriental shop. So, pahirapan talaga. So, nung nakita ko to sa Asda, grinab ko na talaga yung opportunity na bumili at napasearch ako ng recipe for cassava cake. At of course, yung cassava cake na gagawin natin or ipa-follow natin ngayon is from Panlasang Pinoy. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakita ng cassava, ito yung mukha ng cassava. Yan. Yan. So, of course, kailangan ko siyang balatan. Remove the skin and then i-grit natin. Ito, alam nyo, sa probinsya, nagtatanim kami nito sa probinsya or kung hindi kami nagtatanim, pwede itong hingin sa kapitbahay. Pero anyway, wala tayo sa Pilipinas, diba? So, kailangan talaga nating bumili ng cassava. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung presyo per kilo nito. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa screen para makita nyo kung magkano ang ganito, yung cassava dito sa UK. So anyway, why they're barking? I-prepare ko muna yung ating mga ingredients and we'll see kung ano ang magiging resulta. Kung hindi siya magiging okay, hindi ko to ipapublish kasi nahihiyan ako. Pasensyahan nyo na talaga. I am still learning. Oh. Bumalik si Mr. Umalis si Mr. kanina, pero bumalik siya ulit. So, kung hindi nyo to makikita ang video na to, obviously, hindi ko siya pinablish at obviously, hindi siya nag-turn out.
Can you nip upstairs so then I'll just get me money out of the drawer?
Oh, so you go out without money.
Yeah.
Typical. Bye! Umalis siya nang walang pera. So, ayun, bumalik ulit. So, anyway, saan na ba nga tayo? Nakalimutan ko na kung saan tayo. Anyway, i-prepare ko lang yung mga ingredients natin. Yung cassava cake, isa to sa mga pinaka-favorite ko na Filipino dessert. Sa amin, sa probinsya, yung tawag namin dito is balanghoy. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Tagalog sa balanghoy, pero sa Bisaya, tinatawag namin to na balanghoy. Hindi kami nagtanim ng cassava this year kasi kailangan din pagpahingain yung lupa kasi pag palagi ka na lang nagtatanim ng ganito, yung lupa, magiging payat yung lupa. Namimiss ko na talaga namimiss ko na yung buhay probinsya na sobrang simple lang. Oo, dito sa UK, nasa countryside kami, pero iba pa din yung nasa sa Pilipinas, no? Kasi, as in talaga, when you say na simple sa Pilipinas, sobrang simple. Yung walang running water, walang hot water. So, ganun kami sa probinsya. Sobrang simple lang talaga. Itong cassava, sobrang daling balatan lang to pag fresh talaga. Fresh naman siya ngayon, pero iba talaga yung fresh na bagong bunot ba. Then tapos balatan mo. Sobrang bilis lang siyang balatan talaga. Makikita ko yung difference. Kasi lumaki ako sa cassava Hindi kayo makakarelate sa story ko pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas kung mayaman kayo sa Pilipinas. Kasi sa probinsya talaga sa amin, sobrang simple lang talaga. But makikita nyo talaga. So, ito na yung cassava natin. Nabalatan ko na siya. Nahugasan ko na rin. So, ngayon, i-grate ko yung ating cassava. Lalagay natin dito kasi nagsusulputan yung mga cassava. Sayang. Yeah, pick it up. Wala tayong sasayangin ngayon. So, all done. Ito na siya. Yan. Sa camera lang tingnan ha. Para siyang cheese lang tingnan. Yan. Meron pang namumuo dito. Yan. Yan. Oh, I'm excited. Hindi na lang ako maglalagay ng sugar. At dahil kaunti lang yung ating cassava, i-reduce ko na din yung mga ingredients. Ilalagay ko na rin yung coconut milk natin. So, ito na yung cassava cake natin. Ready na siyang ilagay sa oven. So, fingers crossed, magiging okay to. Kasi ito din talaga yung first ever na cassava cake na ginawa ko sa buong buhay ko talaga. I love cassava cake, pero never pa akong nakagawa. So, fingers crossed! This is for our topping. And sabi dito, constantly stir for 10 minutes. Nakakangawit pala mga loves. And that's it. Time's up. Ito na yung cassava cake natin mga palangga. Yan. Hindi pa siya luto sa ilalim. Yan oh. So, babalik natin to sa oven pero hihinaan natin yung ating temperature. I-check natin yung ating cassava. Luto na siya mga palangga. So, yung toppings natin, ilalagay na natin. So, ito na yung toppings. I-mix ko lang siya kasi meron siyang skin. And then, ang ginawa ni Panlasang Pinoy doon is pinahira niya ng itlog. So, ito na siya. Ito na yung finished product natin. Let's see na lang kung ano yung lasa. I hope masarap. I can't wait till tomorrow. So, I want to try this. It's not completely cold. Still warm.
The star is born.
So, let's see.
So what you can actually do is do this, you know.
Be careful. It's very hot. Honey, you need to be very careful. See, okay?
Could be. It needs to be cold, darling. I'm sorry, but it needs to be cold.
Yeah, it's very soggy.
Should you take a piece out of there, it'll all go on you.
Think so? Just a little. I started it already.
You can take coconut in it.
Kaya, tingnan nyo. Hindi talaga siya appetizing tingnan, pero never mind. Hopefully, tomorrow, na malamig na siya, mag-set na siya. Pero sabi ni Mr. masarap daw. So, anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Hindi ko alam kung gaano to kahaba or ka-short. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Titingnan natin kung nag-set ba siya. Kakagising ko lang talaga mga palangga yung oras. 7 o'clock. Nag-set siya. Successful. So, yan na. Nag-set talaga siya.